Hello everyone. This video is great for the beginner and they're easy to make fall colored earrings. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin, brown resin dye, mixing bowl, and mixing utensil. You'll need a mold that makes pendants or earrings. You'll need 8mm jump rings, and you'll need 2 fishhook earrings. To begin, you're going to need to pour some UV resin into your mixing bowl. Then add a couple drops of the brown resin dye. When mixing the brown dye and the UV resin together, just mix until it swirls and then pour it into the mold. As you can see, I did not mix enough, so I'm just pouring some more UV resin into the mixing bowl, and I'm going to add a couple drops of the dye and then mix it until it swirls. Then add the mixture to your mold. And I'm just topping it off a little with some clear UV resin. And as you can see, the swirls make some nice little patterns on the earring. And I'm just swirling it up just a little bit more with the mixing tool. To remove the bubbles, I'm using a lighter and I'm just going over the surface of the resin to pop the bubbles, and then cure for 180 seconds. Now that it's cured, I'm adding another layer of clear UV resin on the top. I'm spreading it to make sure that it goes to the edges. Cure for 180 seconds and then turn the mold over and then cure for another 180 seconds on the bottom side. Now that it's cured, we can remove it from the mold. As you can see, there's very beautiful swirls within the earring. And then we are going to start the process over again to make the second earring. Pour UV resin into the mixing bowl. Add a couple drops of the resin dye. Mix until it's swirled. And then pour it into the mold. I'm gently lifting the mold up and down just to spread the resin within that mold. I'm making a little bit more of that swirled mixture to pour into the mold. After I poured the brown mixture, I did do a layer of clear resin, and then I cured it for 180 seconds. Now that it's cured, I'm adding a second layer of clear resin to top it off. Again, I'm using my lighter to pop the bubbles, and once you remove the bubbles, cure it for 180 seconds, and then turn the mold over and cure the backside for 180 seconds. Now that it's cured, we can remove this earring from the mold. As you can see, it makes a nice, beautiful set. And you're going to take your 8mm jump ring, open it up. You can use chain nose pliers, you can use your fingers. You open it to the side. Never open it pulling it apart, because then it'll lose its shape. Only open it to the side. Place it on your earring. And then put on one of the fishhook earrings and close your jump ring up. Now that we're done with this earring, we'll go on to the next. We'll open up the jump ring and open it to the side, add it onto the earring, and then take the fishhook earring and add that onto the jump ring and close up the jump ring. And as you can see, it's a beautiful pair of earrings, and it would be a beautiful accent to anything that you wear. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me the thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and press that bell for further notifications of upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my artwork, photography, and my jewelry. See you soon. Bye-bye.